As human beings, we start practicing any new skill from zero, and as we gain more experience, we get better at it. We think of this process as learning. Ordinarily, computers are given explicit instructions on what to do. However, computers can also be made to learn from experience, and this experience takes the form of data. This is where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is the process by which computers learn from data without the need for explicit instructions. We interact with machine learning every day, from facial recognition in photos to recommendations for music and TV shows on our streaming platforms. Machine learning is being used to automate tasks across all areas of our lives. But how exactly does it do that? Machine learning algorithms extract predictive insights from data and make repeated decisions to improve over time. In other words, it allows a computer to keep trying until it improves at a given task, without being explicitly programmed to perform that task. Suppose we need a computer to analyze images and recognize which type of fruit is being shown in them, out of an orange, an apple, and a banana. We could manually create a list of characteristics of each fruit and apply a traditional algorithmic approach. However, for something more complicated with more features, such as identifying the species of a plant, the traditional program would have a very long list of rules. This manual programming of rules may even be unfeasible, and the data might change faster than we can update the rules. This is exactly the type of problem where machine learning shines. Machine learning can extract structure from data that would be too difficult or tedious for humans to solve. Machine learning learns the model from the data. That will enable it to determine the species of a plant. The patterns learned establish the algorithm for future predictions. The more data the computer receives, the more finely tuned its algorithm becomes, allowing it to provide more accurate predictions. There are lots of different types of machine learning, and these can be applied to different types of data. The most common type of machine learning is supervised learning. Supervised learning is when your data has known labels. This means that for each image, the computer knows which species of plant is shown. The computer then trains a machine learning model on these images with known labels, and the model can then be used to classify unlabeled images. So, aside from our classification example, what can machine learning be used for? Many things. Harnessing the power of machine learning enables us to build algorithms that can solve complex problems efficiently. Any problem that involves a lot of data could be a potential use case for machine learning. Across multiple industries, there are use cases for machine learning that speed up problem solving and improve processes. What could machine learning do for you?